What's up everybody and welcome to another video on GAT Math from our channel. Let's start with the first question. Find 4a plus 6b if 3 over a plus 2 over b equals 5 over 12 and a times b equals 24. First we have 3a plus 2 over b equals 5 over 12. You can make a cross here. So it will be a times b, which equals ab, and 3 times b equals 3b, and 2 times a equals 2a equals the right-hand side, which equals 5 over 12. You know that ab equals 24, so it will be 2a plus 3b over 24 equals 5 over 12. Cross multiplication, so we have 2a plus 3b equals 5 times 24 over 12 divided by 2 equals 1, divided by 2 equals 2. So we have 2a plus 3b equals 10. Multiply both sides of the equation times 2. So we have 4a plus 6b equals 20. So we have 4a plus 6b equals 20, so the answer is C. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. If x squared plus y squared equals 36 and x minus y all squared equals 16, find x times y. Let's change the color of the pen. So we have x minus y all squared equals 16. This is a perfect square. So it will be x squared minus 2xy plus y squared equals 16. As we know that x squared plus y squared equals 36, so it will be 36 minus 2xy equals 16. Subtract 36 from both sides, so we have negative 2xy equals negative 20. Divided both sides by negative 2, so x times y equals 10. So the answer is no. Let's move to question 3. If n squared minus 36 equals 0 and m squared minus 64 equals 0, find n times m. The first equation, which is n squared minus 36 equals 0. So add 36 for both sides, so n squared equals 36. Take the square root for both sides, so n equals positive or negative 6. The same for the other equation, m squared minus 64 equals 0, so m squared equals 64. Take the square root, so m equals the square root of 64, so it will be positive or negative. Now we want to find n times m. It means positive or negative 6 times positive or negative 8, which equals positive or negative. You know that 6 times 8 equals 48, so the answer is B. Question 4. In a school, the number of students who fail in 1/3 is 1/3 the number of students who succeed. Okay, and the number of the students who succeed is 90. So we have F and we have S. Okay, the number is 90, their third will be 30. Okay, how many students are in the school? So we'll find the sum of 30 and 90, which equals 120. Question 5. A cylinder has filled to a quarter by a liquid. Okay, if we have a cylinder like that, we will fill it with a liquid. It's a quarter, this is half, this is the quarter. Okay. Okay. And it will be filled to 3/4 of it. So we will fill it with 3/4, so it will be here. Means that we will add 2/4, okay? This part is 2/4, which equals 2/4, and the total is 3/4. Okay, that's it. We add 70 liters, means 2 quarters equals 70 liters. That's good. What is the capacity of the cylinder? Okay, now we know that 2 quarters equals 70 liters. It means 1/2 equals 70. 1/2 of the cylinder equals 70 liters. Okay, so by doubling it, it will be 140 to find the capacity of all the cylinder. Okay, because you know that half of the cylinder gives you 70 liters. So it's double, it will be 140. So the answer is C. Question 6. If 2 power 100 minus 2 power 99 equals 2 power x, find the value of x. Now we have 2 power 100 minus 2 power 99 equals 2 power x. How can we solve this kind of equations? You can take 2 power 99 as a common factor. So it will be 2 power 99 times 2 power 1 minus 1, which equals the right hand side, which equals 2 power x. As you know that 2 minus 1 equals 1, so 2 power 99 equals 2 power x. It means we have the base equal the base, so the power equals the power, so x equals 99, so the answer is B. Moving into question 7, someone has speed 8 kilometers per hour. Now we have 8 kilometers per hour. How many hours you need to cover 48 kilometers? It's a very easy question. Just multiply 1 hour times 6. As you know that 8 times 6 equals 48. So 1 hour times 6 gives you 6. Okay, so the answer is 6. So the answer is A. Question 8. Which of the following is the sum of the two consecutive odd numbers? You know that if you add two even numbers, it gives you an even, and adding two consecutive odd, it gives you even. Okay, like if you have 3 plus 5, this is odd, and this is odd, it gives you even. Okay, so we will cancel the odd numbers, which is 225 and 227. Okay, if we have 228, you know that if you divided 228 by 2, so it will be 114 and 114. Subtract 1 from here and add it to the other numbers, so it will be 113 and 115. So we have two odd numbers, their sum equals 228, and the two numbers are consecutive. So the answer is B. The age of the father is 50 years old, and the age of his son, if his sons are 3, 5, and 10. So we have the age of the father, which is 50, and each son 3, 5, and 10. Okay. After how many years the father's age equals to the sum of ages of his sons? Okay. So if you want to add x for the father age to be equal, so you have to add for both one, you have to add x plus 3 and 5 plus x and 10 plus x. So the final equation, it will be 50 plus x equals x plus x plus x, which equals 3x plus 3 plus 5 plus 10, which equals 18. Okay, subtract x from both sides, so we have 50 equals 2x plus 18, so x equals 16. It's a very easy question, so the answer is B. The last question, 2-digit number, the sum of its digits is 9, and its tens is more than its ones by 3. What are the numbers? So we have a 2-digit number. Number consists of 2 digits like 36, 63, 54. The sum of its digits is 9. Okay, let's check the answers. The sum of digits, 3 plus 6, 9. That's right. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. Okay. Its tens is more than its ones by 3. This is tens and this is ones. So 3 is less than 6 by 3, so that's not right. We have 6 is more than 3 by 3, so that's right. And this is by 1, and this is minus 1, so the answer is B. Thank you for watching.